Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now previous months we have seen that gold has created this long week monthly candle. Now this monthly candle, if we analyze, we see that it has triggered all-time high. This is a very important level of resistance. The price grabbed liquidity from that resistance zone and then had a rejection close as a long week candle. Now if we look at the right side of this long week, we see that there is no buyers in that zone has been tested yet. So we could see there is an imbalance in that zone, and we can expect that gold is going ahead and filling some part of this long week to fill that imbalance. And we can expect, what I think, that gold might be going to test this dynamic resistance at least 50% of this long week candle. We can expect gold to go ahead and test. So from the shorter time perspective, we can expect gold to go ahead and move to the upside. Now if we look at the weekly, what we see that from the weekly perspective, gold is doing exactly according to the plan and analysis, as you have seen in our previous weekly forex forecast. What we see that gold with this weekly move created this huge movement to the downside. This is a very high liquidity zone, and as you know, the price moves from liquidity to liquidity. From this liquidity has come back to another liquidity zone, and we saw that the price has penetrated this low where there is a huge liquidity triggered again from this doji and created another imbalance in that zone. Now as a result, previous week we saw that there is a bullish candle, and as we discussed, that candle in fact a strong bullish. As you can see, it created a higher low with this 2 weekly low. That means that the buyers are very strong in that zone, and also it has a long wick at the top, which is in fact a pullback of this move. So this is a healthy bullish candle. A bullish candle pullback, we can expect another bullish move in that direction. So from the weekly perspective, we see there is a very high probability for gold to go ahead and even break this resistance line. If we take our Fibonacci, from Fibonacci perspective, to see where gold is heading from high to the low, we can expect now gold at least in the first move to go ahead and test this 38.2% Fibonacci level. So we can see that gold, as you can see in our previous analysis, this is what exactly expected, that gold to come back down and test this support and then to reject. Gold is doing exactly according to the plan. Now as you can see, gold currently above this weekly opening and closing and trying to break this high. But I think that at any point as the news is coming, we might see a break to the upside and then going ahead and test this resistance line. So looking at the daily time frame to see how the gold is doing. Now from the daily, what we expected previously, that gold to form an inverted head and shoulder, and gold is doing that. You can see this is an inverted, possible inverted head and shoulder is being formed on gold. And if we take that pattern out, we see that the price is forming that possible inverted head and shoulder, and we can expect a break to the upside from this inverted head and shoulder from the daily. Now with this bullish engulfer, this is a strong rejection from this lower price and followed by two daily candle, and then we see the market again moving towards the upside. Now from the monthly, weekly and daily, we see that gold is preparing for a potential bullish move to the upside. Now let's look at 4 hour to see where the price is heading. Now from the this intraday time frame, we can see that previous session gold has crossed this doji's low and then overextended market created. From that zone we saw this bullish candle created, followed by this session also we saw that so far the price action is bullish. What I'm expecting on gold, as you can see, this candle is closing in 1 hour, 1.5 hours later, to come down for a deeper pullback. Now once you will see that, we can expect to give us another bullish trading opportunity along this zone to find an entry point. If we look at further lower time frame on the 5 minute chart, we can see that gold is maintaining this bullish channel. The price is heading along this channel, creating series of higher low along this zone. Now what we saw in the last session, the price has created this move and the structure, and we saw that the price just has broken the swing low, which is an overextension to the downside. Again, bulls buying this market. This is where we'll be waiting for a potential entry opportunity. Once you will see that setup we are looking for on gold to take this move to the upside, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.